Good morning, everyone. Happy New Year. Welcome back to the channel. Hauling Hoopties with Rob. Today we are not going to be hauling any Hoopties. We're going to be driving a Hooptie. What kind of Hooptie hauler doesn't drive a Hooptie? This is my 66 Chrysler New Yorker 440.
I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to.
Got the car up and see if we can catch him screwing around. Let's see. Yep, screwing around. Anybody come in? Any calls? Oh, yeah. So I just got to the garage. I really don't feel like doing anything today, but I have to get something done. That's my 74 Apollo. 4-wheel drum brakes. I gotta do the back brakes. The front one's already done. New wheel cylinders. New hoses, new master cylinder, the whole works. So I have quite a few cars. Chevettes, 50 Plymouth, 57 Chevy, Suzuki X90, and there's more in the back. I have a car to work on every day of the week. But it's fun. They're all Hoopties. But they're my Hoopties. And they make me happy. There's a Chevette horde back there. There's a couple of them. There's a couple more. Scooters. I have a motorcycle. I have engines. I have more at home too. I'm out of space. So I have to stop buying Hoopties. Or try. It's not going to work, but alright, let me get some work done. I'll be making some more videos once my new camera comes in that I can wear on my head, because carrying this camera around trying to do things is a pain in the butt. There's my Pontiac. Fiat. I actually have two of these. I have two X90s too. I have 3 Mustangs, 2 X90s. My Valiant, my Vet Z06, my Pontiac Coupe, couple monthly transmissions. I have a lot of junk. So, stay tuned, guys. Peace.
Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. Yeah, I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks up, build what I want to make. Yo, I got a lot of shit to say, so I'ma do this every day. I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. 6 feet deep, wonder but my body won't decay. Cause my messages are timeless, so they'll put them on display. Oh yeah, I rap with the certainty I have to